Open the box. This is the main accessory of the machine. Cycle in and cycle out are holes reserved for external chiller. Insert the pedal. Plug in the power cord. The water inlet of the internal water circulation is pump-in. Connect the pump into the bucket with a water pipe. Power on the machine. Enter the password 667788899 and click Start to start automatic pumping. After pumping, plug the pump in with a stopper. Start the control software after pumping. You can change the language after entering the password 666666. After entering the password 666888, you can clear light times. You can adjust the required parameters on the display screen. Welding on stainless steel, the mark plus on the screen is for laser aiming. Weld on 925 silver. The welding situation can be observed through a microscope or display screen. Large welding depth, beautiful welding seam, firm welding. Turn off the machine after use. The water in the internal water tank usually needs to be replaced once a month.